Hi everyone, this video is being posted on Tuesday, April 19th, 2022. I'm Andrea Marques, a freshman here in the Carpentry and Cabinetmaking Technology program at Johnson College. Today, I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who is unavailable because she is searching the Lackawanna River Heritage Trail for chocolate eggs the bunny left, but children didn't find. At least that's what I've been told. This Thursday, April 21st, from 4 to 6 p.m., the college's enrollment team is holding a Diving Into STEM Degrees event in the Moffitt Student Center here on campus. If you or someone you know from a local high school is interested in learning more about the college's STEM-focused 2-year academic degree program, you or they should attend this event. Program directors and instructors from the college's Biomedical Equipment Technology, Electronic Engineering Technology, Advanced Manufacturing, and Mechatronics programs will discuss each program, give tours of the on-campus labs. Please register at johnson.edu/STEM to attend the Diving Into the STEM Degrees event. The college's final FAFSA workshop will be held next Monday, April 25th from 5 to 7 p.m. inside the Health Science Center. If you're interested in attending the event, contact our financial aid team. For all our senior students, remember that Grad Finale is being held next Tuesday, April 26th from 1 to 3 p.m. and Wednesday, April 27th from 3 to 5 p.m. You'll pick up your caps and gowns and address any outstanding college obligations at Grad Finale. This is important, so please do not forget about Grad Finale. I encourage all of you, our college community, to join Dr. Katie for the special conversation with Johnson College graduate Ideal T. Saldi, happening tomorrow, Wednesday, April 20th at 11 a.m. in the Moffitt Student Center gym. Dr. Katie said it will be a milestone event for the campus, so you'll want to be there. I'm coming to you from the Carpentry and Cabinetmaking Technology program inside Woolworth Hall, where I've spent most of my first year as a student at Johnson College. It's also the location of the annual carpentry auction benefiting the Children's Advocacy Center. This year's auction is happening this Wednesday, April 20th, with doors opening at 5 p.m. The work being auctioned off was created by my fellow Carpentry and Cabinet Technology first-year students, a few seniors, and myself. Please visit johnson.edu to register if you would like to attend. And now for my final note of the week. In December of 2011, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in earth science and a minor in chemistry. Originally, I intended to teach, but I realized early on that it wasn't for me. Instead, I worked 10 years in banking, and even though I was good at what I did, something was missing. I didn't get those feelings of enjoyment, passion, or satisfaction. During the pandemic, I realized I wanted to build and create. It was this overwhelming itch to make things with my own hands. I wanted to build furniture. During the past year, Johnson College and Mr. Campbell, the program director for Carpentry and Cabinetmaking Technology program, taught me the technical skills needed to put pieces together and the skills to push my imagination in design. Johnson College is the second chance I was looking for. The college supplied me with the means needed to jumpstart a whole new and exciting career that brings me so much joy and a sense of self-fulfillment. Thank you, Mr. Campbell, and everyone at Johnson College. That's it for this week's presidential update video from the Carpentry and Cabinetmaking Technology program inside Woolworth Hall, here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.